Hey, you too, what it do? Boy, Mr. Thow, man. I'm out. As y'all can see, man, the footage might look a little different. It might not. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I'm working on the GoPro 10 right now. We got no ND filter, so this straight. Wow. I'm giving it to you straight glass. Y'all let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna play with it a little bit.
What did he say?
Get used to it. And then once I get used to it, you know, we're gonna get ready for that GoPro 8 giveaway. Y'all ready for the GoPro 8 giveaway? Gotta say thank you to God, because you know without the man above ain't nothing possible, man. Literally nothing. Thank you for y'all at the house, man. Without y'all, I ain't nobody. Thank y'all for clicking on the video. Hey, I looked and I did my little research. My little Mr. 1000rr research. Man, we had 4,400 followers, man. The game, we got 4,400 subscribers, man. So this is the only thing. With the 4,400 subscribers that we got, only 700 of y'all was subscribed with all notifications. What is that? What's that about? Come on, really? I don't know, y'all maybe not know about what you gotta do. You gotta hit that notification bell right there. What that bell do is gonna send you a notification every time Mr. 1000rr posts. And then all y'all gotta do for me is slap that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment if you like, but just slap the like button for me. And I love y'all. You know, I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? So today I'm just out here on a nice little ride, just testing out this GoPro 10, seeing how I like it, seeing what, you know, what it got to bring to the table, what it got to offer. Yeah, man, y'all, I appreciate all y'all, man, for the love, support. Y'all been holding your boy down, keeping me going, keeping me grounded. You know what I'm saying? 4,400 subscribers is a big milestone, a huge milestone. I appreciate every single one of my subscribers, and I love y'all, man. So, yeah, man, make sure y'all do that for your boy. Hit that notification, B-E-L-L, B-A-L-E, B-E-L. However you want to spell it, I don't care where you're from. Hit this, man, hit the thing that goes. Hit that thing that goes. Okay then. I appreciate y'all, man. Love y'all, man. I've been talking too much, man. If you ain't like this video already, hit that like button. What are you waiting for? Let go.
They point fingers to the side, they don't want to see. I look myself in the mirror, I can't believe it's me. It's like a turn into a one.
Ooh, that be running. Ooh, that be.
But now bags, I want to smash everything now. Try to do. I seen a millionaire fight.
You seen that orange slider game, Will? Hey yo, you better keep up. I say you better keep up. Yeah, say ski.
The pain stay the same. I pull bleach on my controller like a dirty game.
Hey man, this is a new camera. Who this? New GoPro. Who this? Whole lot of new. You ain't know this. Got a new phone. Who this? New GoPro. Who is this? Only thing we ain't switched up is India come with Layin, baby. You know you daddy baby forever. Even when we get you a sister and a brother, you still gonna be daddy baby. Okay then. What he got going on? That boy working on his takeoff. He say he tired of losing. Ooh.
That all going big, never see this beat again. Switched out the spot, now I got a garage, see my whip again. And they fuck the state, 8 free my cut, they wanna get them 10. All these fuck niggas still free, the real ones in the pen. She fucked my dog, I fucked her cousin, just fake get back. They killed my dog and made.
No boy, no.
Real niggas in there, they need some damn food. Fuck Bob Barker, get them niggas in there some real shoes. Cuz still in orange, they want him rockin' Fed blues. But cuz ain't no crip, but your ass a trip. Could've worked for now, she keep that rocket on their hip. They treatin' cut like a sled, they don't need no whip. Need to take them shackles off my damn cuz. They took you in soon as we started to get a little buzz. I don't like visitation, I can't hug my dog. Can't dap you up or shake your hand, can't even touch my dog. Still putting in work, cause I know it's time for it. 10 years, I'ma be 35 by the time that shit that mind blowing. When cut get home, be 35, that shit that mind blowing. Bitch ask me how she supposed to ride when the wheels flat.
That's all I got.
Huh?
That's all I got.
That's all you got? Hey, it's a little bit, you see it?
Yeah.
A little bit. I'm getting it, bro. That's second gear.
You're in second?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm in first.
I usually do them at first. But it's like, I don't, like for me, it don't feel like it's coming up that high. It feel like it's like maybe like right here.
Bro switched on me, thought we went full flash on the Cadillac. Remember that night?
What he got back there? Hey, Trump, man, look at that boy there, man. He ain't fucking with him. Trump, see what he got going on. Woo, let's get it. Hey, that bitch tough. Yes, sir. Hey, you ain't fucking with him, Trump. You see, he got the whole setup. Get out my way, out back. Third gear ain't working like that. I gotta get my bike working on for real, for real. Ooh. We on the beach now. Oh yeah! That was a good one. That's a good one too. That was a straight one. Yes, sir, ski. That second gear starting to feel Gucci. Yes, sir. Hey.
No,
Hey. Y'all see it, man. 2-0 going down. Shee.
Coronavirus ain't start shit, we still hit that road. Hey, we still get them in and get them gone. Mr. Get About It, that's my dog name. Hey, shot shit, too fly shit, that's my dog game. Hey, pop it off, fetch your mouth and get you ran by. I remember sitting in that Nissan talking about shit we couldn't afford. Nigga, front while we was last niggas, did not know war. Now they bought
It's lit, get up here, boy.
Crazy shit, I cop at least 20. And if the plug showing love, might cop another 50.
That's that automatic wheelie control jump. Hey, how them wheelies looking, fam?
it's good.
They looking good? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's weird as fuck. But like, every time I put my visor down, bro, it's like I don't get scared.
Well, yeah, me too.
Yeah.
It's like I feel like too close, but I'll ride like this with a visor.
Yeah, like, shit crazy. I thought I was the only one. I guess not.
That's still do different. You just get more confidence.
Yeah, facts.
My bike not starting back up.
Alright, don't say that. Nah, that's your ass. That ain't me. Hey, what's all that moving back there? Look at
What's all that movement back there? What's all that movement back there? There's a whole lot of clapping.
What's all that moving back there? Hey. Something.
Oh, fuck.
Hey. Hey. Yeah, we don't want to get on my baby down. Start the rail, hey. Huh? That bitch ain't start? No!
when the starter heats up, bro, it doesn't want to start.
Damn. You might need a push start. Hey, hit that bitch.
Oh, fuck.
Pull over, pull over. Hey, hey. Hey, you done gotta push start it. Yeah.
Won't say too much information, niggas.
I love peace. We getting there. Y'all see it, Slider Gang? SG! Y'all see what's going on, man. Your boy been working, and now I finally got it on recording so y'all can see it. On the GoPro 10! I better to show y'all. But yeah, man. Thank y'all for tuning in with your boy Mr. 1000rr, man. I'm probably gonna cut it short. You feel me? It's your boy Mr. 1000rr, man. We gonna get on out of here. If you know, son, then you know, son. Hey! 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 Holla!
Get on gone, Mr. Get About It, that's my dog name. Hey, shot shit, too fly shit, that's my dog game. Hey, popping off at your mouth, forget you ran by. I remember sitting in that Nissan talking about shit we couldn't afford. In the front while we was last, we ain't getting out no reward. Now they behind, that's my dog, stayed on one accord. I serve out my lady Honda, she ain't got no accord.